Uy, it's getting cold in here. This Spanish word of the day was chosen by you guys on Twitter. You decided that I needed to talk about the Spanish word escalofrío. So today's word of the day is escalofrío. Escalofrío. Escalofrío means shiver or shivers. Also, it could mean chill. Escalofrío is masculine. So you can say el escalofrío or un escalofrío. The plural form is los escalofríos or unos escalofríos. Now let's see a few examples. Esa película de terror me dio escalofríos. Esa película de terror me dio escalofríos. Creo que me voy a enfermar. Tengo escalofríos. Creo que me voy a enfermar. Tengo escalofríos. Me dio un escalofrío al recordar esa pesadilla. Me dio un escalofrío al recordar esa pesadilla. No me gustan las malas noticias. Me dan escalofríos. No me gustan las malas noticias. Me dan escalofríos. Sentí un escalofrío por el frío. Sentí un escalofrío por el frío. Okay, that was the word of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Facebook, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, also don't forget to leave me more examples down below. Bye!